Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for cursor error code NGHTTP2 underscore enhance your COM. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users are normally using Cursor with GPT-5, but suddenly their requests start getting denied with this error message. According to our research, the error is likely caused by issues within the software or outdated versions of Cursor leading to stream closure problems. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close Cursor completely and restart it. Once restarted, try making your request again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, restart your device. Simply power it off completely, then turn it back on, then open Cursor again and check for the error. At last, if the error still persists, update Cursor to the newest version available. Simply check if you need to update the cursor. If so, then install the update and restart the cursor and check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.